Welcome to Camp 2024.
Brand new camp.
Welcome for this special behind-the-scenes sneak preview of the new camp.
We're here in spring, so you can imagine all of this is going to explode with green pretty soon. But for now, we're getting a nice little preview of what the facilities are like and what the cabins are like and what the property is like. It's so beautiful. There's water everywhere. So
There's a gorgeous view of the lake almost everywhere from the camp. And I think people are really going to love this new home.
yeah, there's so many new activities, so I can't wait to see what people discover. A bowling alley, which is pretty insane.
Pool, water slides, horseback riding.
Yeah.
It is going to be an experience unlike anything else.
You want to go on a tour with us?
Yes, please.
Let's go.
Come this way. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Yeah, I love that they're all so close that we can all hang out with each other have the most amazing porch culture you could imagine.
And it's just this beautiful tree-lined street. It's going to be wonderful to come home, to start your day and end your day with this beautiful vista.
And also, can we talk about the color? Classic, beautiful, like Florida kind of vibe.
Or for the lesbians, pink.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Spacious. So many sinks. So many showers.
All the showers.
So many toilets.
Oh, Jesus.
It washes your water bottle so that you don't have grossy grime in it.
Thank God.
Do you like sliding?
Do you like splashing about with all of your friends?
Then you will love the water slide area.
You take a nice mat, taco style, and slide right on down.
So what's one of the big changes at camp this year?
We have unicorns!
Without horns.
Yay! Lots of horseback riding, English
English.
style, and trail riding. And if you don't want to ride horses, you can just come, say hi to the horses. As you can see, they're not here yet, but you have to use your imagination and imagine what? Oh! Good boy. Welcome to Lakeside Lanes, home of the bowling alley. Shoes, automatic lanes, digital display.
Jukebox to play your favorite tunes while you're bowling. Can't be beat. I mean, are we at the Regal Cinema or are we at camp? Look at this.
Plush seating, actual lighting.
There's even cup holders. I mean,
Ooh.
there's so many opportunities to use this theater for really, really fun activities.
It's gonna be the talent show.
Archery is here, and it's gonna be so fun and wonderful.
No alcohol allowed.
No. Whoa. I'm so high up. The ropes course is terrifying.
Too much imagination.
The ropes course and climbing wall. There's even a giant's ladder behind. There's elements up in the trees.
Looks like there's something a little bit for everyone.
Hey, Jamie. How many balls am I holding?
4!
Chipping range? Do you like to play golf? Do you like to see just how far you can hit it?
Do you just like to play with balls?
Well, you can do that here. I see it as like a refresh of camp. It's a chance to just explore a new place with new things to do, and it's gonna really reinvigorate it, I think.
I think the facilities are beautiful. I think everyone's gonna love all the new offerings this year.
Yeah, because the one thing I noticed as I walked around is I just kept thinking in my head, wow, this is really nice. It's just really beautiful, well taken care of. And there's even more that we weren't able to show you.
We really can't wait for you to see it. It's going to be the same camp community.
The same camp spirit. We can't wait to see you here.
Welcome to Camp 2024. Woo!